Imagine you're at a store, ready to pay using UPI, and just when you scan the QR code, the payment fails. Frustrating, right? Well, you're not alone. Over the last 2 weeks, India's most trusted digital payment system UPI has been facing serious hiccups. And that's got everyone from customers to bankers deeply worried. Hi, I am Deeptin Puriwal and you're watching the Savera. UPI, or the Unified Payments Interface, is the backbone of India's digital economy today. It processes more than 18 billion transactions every month. That's over 6,000 transactions every single second. So when UPI stumbles, the whole ecosystem feels the shock. On April 12th, UPI was running at less than 80% success rate for almost 5 hours. And this came after another 95 minutes of downtime in March. In simpler terms, 1 in every 5 transactions was failing, causing delays and frustrations for millions. So what causes these failures? To understand that, let's look at how a UPI transaction works. It's not just a simple click, it's a chain reaction involving 5 crucial steps. First, you initiate the transaction on an app like Google Pay or PhonePe. Second, the request goes to NPCI, the central system that routes UPI payments. Third, NPCI checks with your bank to verify if your account has money. Fourth, once verified, NPCI sends the payment request to this receiver's bank. And fifth, the receiver's app confirms the transaction and shows you the success message. That means 5 different systems: your app, the sender's bank, NPCI, the receiver's bank, and the receiver's app must work in perfect sync, in real time, every damn time. So what failed this time? According to NPCI's internal report, the problem was with something called the Check Transaction API. Well, this is a special tool that banks use to check if a transaction has gone through or not. And that system wasn't working properly, causing delays and confusion about transaction status. Basically, the payment was stuck in limbo. Now you might wonder, why so much fuss about a few hours? Well, when you're dealing with crores of people and lakhs of businesses, even a few hours of failure can mean loss of trust, disrupted business, and even panic at points of sale. The NPCI has shared its analysis with banks and is reportedly working to strengthen infrastructure and ensure better monitoring to avoid such incidents. But experts say that with UPI now becoming a public utility, we need more redundancy, stronger testing, and perhaps even government-mandated uptime standards. As India continues its journey towards a truly digital economy, the reliability of UPI is non-negotiable. It's not just about convenience anymore, it's about trust, speed, national financial infrastructure. And while tech hiccups do happen, for a system this critical, every second of downtime matters. Stay tuned, stay aware, and always, if your payment fails, do not panic, because most UPI issues get resolved quickly. But yes, it's time the system itself gets more robust. Stay tuned to the Savera.